We will be learning the difference of two squares. And our focus is to look at the general formula and then applying the general formula to solve expressions or to solve equations. The general rule is that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now let's apply this to some examples. So we have 8 squared minus 5 squared. So because we're looking at our general formula is a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, so here we can say a equal to 8, b equal to 5. So 8 squared minus 5 squared is going to be 8 plus 5 multiplied by 8 minus 5, which is going to give us 8 plus 5 is 13 multiplied by 8 minus 5, that is 3, which is 39. Another example, we have a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus. So here a equal to 19, b equal to 15. So 19 squared minus 15 squared is equal to 19 plus 15 multiplied by 19 minus 15. This is going to give us 19 plus 15 is 34 multiplied by 19 minus 15. That's going to give us 4. So 34 multiplied by 4 is 136. Next example, we have a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we can say a is equal to 14, b is equal to 7. So 14 squared minus 7 squared is going to be 14 plus 7 multiplied by 14 minus 7. This is going to give us 21 multiplied by 7, which is 147. And then the final example, we have a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So in this case, a is 25, b is 5. So 25 squared minus 5 squared is going to be equal to 25 plus 5 multiplied by 25 minus 5, which is equal to 30 multiplied by 20. So we have 3 times 2 is going to be 6. We put the 2 zeros at the end. So this is the application of the difference of two squares.